Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to analyze stocks on Yahoo Finance. Open Yahoo Finance and enter the ticker you want to analyze. Start on the summary page to note price, market cap, and the latest headlines. Scan the chart for trend direction and add a moving average or RSI for extra context. Keep your time frame consistent and take notes on catalysts or upcoming earnings to guide decisions. Look beyond the headline price and dig into fundamentals to understand company health. Open the Financials tab to review revenue, net income, and profit margins across periods. Check cash flow statements and debt ratios to assess solvency and runway. Use valuation metrics such as P/E and price to sales to gauge relative value. Finally, compare fundamentals with peers to see if the stock stands out for good reasons. Charts tell the timing story that fundamentals do not, so review multiple timeframes. Add indicators like the 50 and 200 moving averages and RSI to gauge momentum and trend strength. Identify clear support and resistance levels and watch for volume spikes during breakouts or breakdowns. Combine technical signals with fundamental context to plan entries, stops, and targets with more confidence and clearer risk control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.